Shri M. K. Anand, MD and CEO, Times Network, well-known captains of the industry, distinguished CEOs, ladies and gentlemen. I am extremely happy to be here with you at this prestigious India Economic Conclave 2019. I congratulate Times Network for creating an imperative platform with a focus to enable the rapid transformation of India into a global powerhouse. Driving this editor's theme, India's growth engine, I am sure the landmark event will share the vision, actionable insight to further unleash the true potential of India. Friends, today, Karnataka is the fourth largest and one of the fastest growing states in India, growing at 9.6%. State has taken concrete steps and continues to design policies, schemes in alignment with the grand vision of Karnataka, a global manufacturing and technology leader and a pioneer in driving sustainable, balanced and inclusive growth. Karnataka has been attracting a global audience with its integrated and strategic growth plans that offer immense investment and potential across different sectors. State has attracted FDI of 37.67 billion US dollars during the period April 2000 to March 2019, constituting a 9% of the all India FDI. Karnataka is spearheading the growth of Indian industry and is the largest exporter of services and fourth largest exporter of merchandise. Karnataka has the advantage of cost competitiveness and favorable demographic dividend which enables to make products for the entire world. Our transparency policy initiatives are aimed at providing extensive support to new industries and entrepreneurs. Today, we have more than 20 policies for diverse sectors. We have already recently announced the Electrical Vehicle and Energy Storage Policy 2017, the first state to do so with a vision to make Karnataka as the EV capital of India. I am proud to share with you that today we are one of the top 5 R&D ecosystems of the world and also the second best ecosystem for startups. United Nations has ranked Bangalore as the 4th largest technology cluster in the world after Silicon Valley, Boston and London. The state is in the forefront of cutting-edge technology such as blockchain, additive manufacturing, 3D printing, robotics, nanotechnology, and genetic engineering. India today has more than 1,500 global in-house central GICs and collectively employs roughly 10 lakh people. About 35% of these GICs and 41% of employees are based out of Bangalore. Center of Excellence in various sectors such as data science and artificial intelligence, biotechnology, animation, visual effects, gaming and comic sector, cyber security, machine intelligence and robotics has been set up to drive innovation and entrepreneurship in the state of Karnataka. It is a proud moment for Karnataka for having achieved the status as a leading state for renewable energy in India, reaching 30,883 megawatts MW as of July 2019. This is Karnataka's moment, and the state stands at a crucial moment in this history with an unprecedented opportunity for transformation. I look forward to seeing Karnataka becoming even more active on the global stage, where our utmost priority will be to establish a positive relationship between growth and jobs to achieve strong, sustainable, and balanced growth. I wish this event a grand success. Thank you. Thank you very much.